Hello and welcome to Canada Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this beautiful Breville Espresso Machine 870 XL. Let's go ahead and pull a shot. You can see we get a real beautiful shot of espresso with lots of crema. Actually amazing actually. This would be a great shot to drink. And then let's go ahead and check the steam. Look at that crema. Amazing. Just takes a little bit to heat up. There you go, nice strong steam. So thank you for pairing with Canada Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.